Funds transfers from your Zeller transaction account are the simple way to pay into external bank accounts, pay BPay bills, or earn interest in your Zeller savings account, all with the option to pay at a later date or on a recurring basis. Let's look at this in more detail. Log into your Zeller dashboard or app, navigate to Accounts in the main menu, then hit Transfer. To transfer funds into someone else's bank account, choose External Transfer. Select or add the recipient contact and account. Enter the amount, a reference for you, and a description for the recipient. To send the funds later or to create a recurring payment, toggle on Schedule. Hit Edit to select the date for the first transfer. You also have the option to select a time to send it. If you want the transfer to repeat, edit the frequency and end date. There are various options, so you can create a schedule that suits your needs. Review the details and hit the button to send or schedule the transfer. To pay BPay bills with Zeller, create a bill for each BPay biller and customer reference number. Each bill is linked to a contact, which may have multiple bills attached to it. From the transfer window, hit BPay payment, then select an account to draw from. Enter the bill amount if you have it. Next, enter the contact BPay biller code or bill label you wish to pay, or create a new bill. Then follow the prompts and enter the required information. The prompts can vary between bills, so take care to enter the right details. Like with external transfers, you can send the payment later or on a recurring basis. You can transfer between your Zeller transaction accounts in seconds. To start, select Internal Transfer, or to quickly transfer to your Zeller savings account, select Savings Top Up. Choose the account you would like to draw funds from and the account you'd like the funds sent to. Add the amount and a reference. You can choose to send at a later time or on a recurring schedule. To learn more about transferring funds from your Zeller transaction account, visit the Zeller Support Centre.